So, my people, we have about three live I'm going to share with Uno. See? And the first live I'm going to share with Uno people, a RT boss. See? Him have some things to say about Vybz Kartel, him ex, Shorty, and also the man we go pick him up from prison. Seeing we know say Cartel is like the number one topic from him get released. You know what I mean? And before him go to prison, he was the number one topic. You see me I say? So people I go give them opinion upon him. So more to know hear what RT boss I say. And more to know tell me what you think in the comment section. And also my people, Candy and Slime kick off wicked after them dep online I play their game. Seeing and Destiny. Boy me I tell you people, Destiny deal with Ivania way and this up our son wicked me people. We now go see what go on. So we're gonna kick it off with RT and then we get into the rest my people.
He go away and leave something we can't control. The media don't have no control over. The man cannot control the media. The man can control, like for example, dancehall is now in the media. Let me break it down. Dancehall is in TikTok in the media. It's media dancehall. And nobody don't have power over media dancehall, sexy media dancehall. Media dancehall meaning the day them know dancehall, take it from me. I was in dancehall, me know it go. Media dancehall, I want you text it in. So the type of dancehall we have, it's a media dancehall. The man don't have no power over it. And because he don't have a power over the media dancehall, this is what more you understand. Is the people them from in a 2004 and 5 and 6, the veteran people them and them children them will grow up under him. The type of dancehall and where dancehall there, it is a media dancehall. That's where it is. So the man will just come from prison. Him not have no power over the media dancehall because of the same media dancehall I go beat him. Because this is where me want you understand. The man have this whole energy where he like to manipulate, he like to control, he is full of controversy. The same way you see me bagga and mix up and blangy blang, that's him. Is a man with full of mix up bagga and that's what build him. The suck your hood, the leg of the hood picture, leg of this. So controversy build him. So when you talk about controversy, when you talk bagga, that's what him. But this is where the controversy do RT. RT love the controversy. The controversy bill and break him. Now let me go back on the man. In my understanding. You see, when you're not a good person, you're not a good person. And I'm going to say this. I want to say this to some bestie, because I want some bestie get this. I want the royal family get this. I don't have to worry myself anymore. I want to get this in our head. I don't have to, like, if me did bad mind or I hate her or I feel like me want she come down or me feel like she envious or whatever. No, that's what I always think. But the thing what I want you to know is instead of me happy for her, no, me sorry for her, because let me tell you something. The man is the greatest disaster to this woman's career right now, the coming of the man. Let me tell you why. The coming of the man is not good for the besties. No way, none at all. Let me go in a file. The coming of the man is the end of the dynasty of the queen. That me want you know. So when me show you, we wind something. The coming of the man is not good for Gracie, and she know, but enough. The coming of the man, let me tell you about something. Let me tell you that a lot of you people are uneducated, and when I'm about to say me face it. Let me do the track record of the man. When the man was in the grung and the man you have Sheba, you have Gaza Slim, you have Lisa Ive. Make the list go on. Continue write the list. Continue right. When the man there rode, she get one song. And the only song she get is what is the song? Everybody know it, Ramping Shop. When the man there road, look how much artists. No, watch God, that do not go watch and see. When the man there in the road, the female grown full up. That is what he do. I may give him credit for that. Because him have the key for that. He can pull the female grown. That's not good for Spice because she and RT lock it up. She and RT control the ground. No, RT is not an artist. RT is a spiritual man. That is why the man can't open the female ground. Because he's already have power span the male ground. So he can't open the female ground. If you look at the track record, numerous female input in and bus. And all of them flap because of when him gone. Now look how much female him do song with. And look how much stage show him a perform. All of these female know whether them shape bad or them know in a good shape. And when them come back to do them performance and them come back and them get recognized in this 2004, it is going to make a female dominance in a dance hall because of Kartel. I go open back the female doors. Ain't nothing wrong with that, but it also make the queen fall. This is how RT set it up. RT set it up that is only one order. RT said nobody can go up, nobody can pass him, and even she herself never let in nobody neither. Look how much here she did, and she never do no collab with Pamputation, never do no collab with nobody neither, and she just do it since now. So
Alright, some people, one thing me I go say, me don't think nobody can really lock dancehall in a way where, like, you know what I mean, them deliberately lock dancehall that nobody can bust. Me feel say if ever that happen, and it happen already when it come to Kartel, but him never deliberately do it, the people them just take on to him and him have a moment, you know what I mean, it just happen naturally. Cause a whole heap of female artists out there, you know what I mean, we bust after Spice and I go on with them thing. You have Stark Ashley, you have Aishana with war thing said way, you know what I mean, you have countless other artists, female artists we bust. When Kartel did around the place, yes, him did open in the gate and a whole heap of female artists get bust because him do collaboration with them. But here what me I tell no people, seeing that now go happen again. Kartel now bust not one person again like what him used to do. If it happen, he must really rate the artist, yeah. But me know, you know what I mean, me thinks me strongly believe that him only a go work for him son them and himself and who they around him for a long time. No more new artists. So me no feel like so we are gonna get the Sheba them again and the Gaza Slim again and them no, we're not gonna get them. You know what I mean? And no reuniting now go on. You see me? That is just my opinion still. You know what I mean? That is just my opinion. So make you listen some more and tell me what you think in the comment section.
more of the story is something more to analyze and watch. Yes, you will get the exposure. Yes, you will get the hype. Yes, but it's going to be minimum hype. The man is not a good man. So the man never want to take some of your national hype because he already have fame hype. So the purpose is nobody in Jamaica as an artist can do nothing for the man now because in this early stage of the man atmosphere, only the man relevant himself. The man need she. Anybody the man need himself. You have to be feared. Your man only need himself right now because him alone have the boss independently. Him don't need no artist in Jamaica to make him be relevant. Probably him need people in the international ranks. So for him now to take up this lady and work with her, that is courtesy working, that is friend. But that just saying to you now is the greatest disaster. Now this man come here and give she maybe next 2 years for your career no make no sense because the man is going to flood the gate with a lot of female and that is going to override the one order, and that is where we want to watch. And that's something we want to watch because that's something when we keep on saying. And people who are follow spirituality and people who like it, I really want you to look into the part where me say to you now, say, Gate Busway. Gate Busway wherein Kartel has that power, and you have to understand him track record show that him open the female ground and let enough male ground and let enough male on the floor, and what is going to happen now. So the claim says she run the ground, she are gonna lose enough stuff off our crown because Kartel is a man where if one thing I want you to know, and this is what I want you to understand. You see, like how me have a lot of female and I mix up with a lot of female. That's the thing with Kartel. Well, him is he have male friend. Don't get me wrong. He have male friend, but him endorse and entertain most female. And I want to look on him track record. Female. Yes, him have man and all of them people around him, but him have a lot of female where him embrace. Alright. Tell me if you not hear me because it just a last Wi-Fi. Coming on one day I chat on the phone and break up. Somebody in the group make signal to me because if it just a last Wi-Fi. Let me know if I have to move. One thing I can't tell you when I talk the phone delay because when I talk, I don't take the same time. It take a decade before my son come in. So that I know the phone not delay. Alright, when I hear but it's a delay. Alright, so watch me now. Alright, so the man, me not finish with the man because I will say something now. So for example now, I want to talk some things and I want to hear me now. Alright. I, for one, don't have any problem with the man's song. I can tell you the truth that the man have good music. I can tell you that the man have good song. But what I want you to know, the man not last long. The man not have lasting long in this world he not gonna last long. He will not last long. He's the man that is going to be recovered. There's going to be problem with him in December around the show. Problem with him and police with the show. There's gonna be some problem with him and the police. And that will show you the man not have no limits and the man not have no chill. Because you come out and you want to song and you want to stay show and you have problem with the Prime Minister. Because the way you come out with the orange, you really trouble the Prime Minister this when you come out to the orange. And that is why I say the man don't have no chill pill. Because you come out that jail and you are comfort. Like nigga, like that's the thing with you and that's why you're not gonna last long. You better when you did in a way you're there because when you did in a way you're there, you're safer and you're more protected. But the fact that you put yourself out there, you are walk a create enemy. Why would you attack the Prime Minister in a critical time like this? For PMP then question, you think big labor right like myself, yeah, I go switch because of him? You think me die-hearted labor right when no say Andrew Wellness I do film thing? All of them PMP they who are guys at PMP I go work with him. But I feel that is an atrocious behavior and there are many artists in Jamaica who are aware of this whole politics thing and many of them involved and them distance themselves. But for a man like him we have that whole influence, right? The first thing you can use the influence a bill of politics. That's them something alright.
People wanna hear the double standard. May I tell you say yo, you see Jamaica is a messed up place where it's like you're not free to do what you want to do and represent what you want to represent. Alright. May I go just point out this. Me not endorse no politics because you see politics are one of the most one of the most messed up thing we ever happen in Jamaica. You see me I say and politics mash up Jamaica. That me I tell you no. So you see the die-hearted this and the die-hearted that mash up Jamaica. You see me I say and a whole heap of people lose them life over politics and representing this and representing that. But let me say this, everybody have freedom of choice, you know what I mean? And people in Jamaica some are we deep in our politics. You know what I mean? And me feel like the cartel are one of them man there we deep in our politics and him represent to him represent and him understand where him a do. Some of we don't understand what we are do. RT Boss as a person we have influence. Him endorse him party, him big up him party, him tell people to vote for him party, and now Vybz Kartel just come out with a kerchief with a certain color, and it's a big problem. To that's why I tell you say you can't be great in a Jamaica because your own Jamaicans are gonna bring you down. You understand? So how you as a person we have influence. You understand? Want influence people to do such and such and you big up your prime minister and you do everything. But if a next person come and them say what them say or never say nothing, just do something we look like yeah represent a certain party and it's a big problem. That's a double standard when it come to him. You see me I say because him a do it but somebody else not to do it. Come on, we should just live and let live and make people do what them feel like for do and just allow people make them do what them want to do. You understand as long as it in the confines of the law.
So with everything what me I said, this man only a cast judgment on himself, and going forward he's going to have a problem because the bottom line is this man is not a good man. And is not innocent, he's guilty. Not because I know all of these things because I'm Jamaican, I know who I'm dealing with. But what I am saying, I don't even afraid of him because if me did afraid of him, at least let me want you know, number one, I don't have anything against this man, but I thought the truth. And me and this man have something going on long time secretly from me and Gracie. He's the man we're supposed to order anything where Gracie say. Him is the man where if do any cleaning up for the Gracie part. But because me is so powerful and so wise, him can't do not clean me because anything and them clean up part there. Him are the man we starting have to clean up part. So we already know me. I'm seeing a problem because him from film entourage them couldn't get the broom and sweep. Believe that side out of the media because that is where great because that is where Gracie get fear strength. She get fear strength from him. No, for me, no, me get my strength too because me have people. Jamaica is wanting more, you know, is links. Yeah, because that is where Gracie get fear strength. She get fear strength from him. No, for me, no, me get my strength too because me have people. Jamaica is wanting more, you know, is links ears and TikTok ever mentioned free world boss. None of them never see that. And I don't have any problem with him. But none of them never hear me say free world boss because that's not me. Me not have no problem with him. Me not have no problem with him. Me not have no problem with him. It's him. So me just keep my distance. Me come in at me come out of the wife. Come here, me can't pick up. Me come on, you can't hear me, cause you having problem with me. In the meanwhile, post the cash up. Me need some money. Me need some money for talk. Post the cash up on the Zelle, me talk. Screen recorder, pass them the screen recorder. Look, pause it. We are go where we can hear. Screen recorder. Alright. Is alright. drama. First of all, the man is not a good person. The man is not a good-hearted person. And the man is not a nice person. And the behavior of the man, how him act, I just strongly believe that the man right now is very creative and him know him song and him know him career. But I just feel like the man don't understand himself. The problem I have with the man, I think that the man have this controlling godliness as if that you are the man and whatever you say. I believe that the man have the influence of Jamaica get to him head. I believe the influence of what he assumed to believe that he has, that I do not see that he has again, because yes, the popularity is there, yes, the fame is there, but it's not a fame will last long. It is only for 2025 and 25 and not more. The moral of the story is the man behavior and how he act is going to cause the police of Jamaica and a lot of negative energy towards him. People, you have to use common sense and see the behavior of the man. The behavior is a man to the behavior of the man is a problem to the music business, is a problem to the media, and is a problem to the government of Jamaica. You can imagine this man come and the first thing this man talk about politics. Who the in them mind? Which normal Jamaican citizen in them mind are go wrong for Trump vibes? So I'm just saying, like, the too much and the authority, like, nigga, sit down. Nobody don't want this right now. You just coming from an institute where you need to come with positive energy. Somebody need to get him an advisor. Somebody need to get him a PR. Someone who can deal with him. Because the way how him leave prison, leave and go to prison and come out is not the same. The way how you use your wisdom brain and trick people in the way of getting people, because you talk it out of your mouth, say people are like sheep and they're easy to lead and you can lead them. So the moral of the story is you speak out of your mouth, say people are like sheep and they're easy to lead. But the way how you are leading, it doesn't make no sense. Because you come out as an intelligent person. All you should do as an intelligent person, speak to the ghetto youths them intelligently. From me see you come out, all me see I show the ghetto youths them know have love. I don't even see bad the Black Girl Spice want your help right now to endorse our album in the proper way. Even I call you over the live, you know, come. You're not a good person. Shamstam come same place for you, and everybody has say Shamstam and the Shamstam loyalty. Ain't nobody Shamstam is no loyalty to Kartel. Just a you people, young generation, who don't hear things you don't know. The loyalest man to Kartel is Tommy Thompson Bright Light. Put that in your head. That's you call loyal. Shamstam I just figure it. Now, all you know that, so you expect Kartel to come out from buying Benz. You expect Kartel to come out and come problem. You people are the one who cause problem. You people are get brainwashed and on terms the things they want terms it. How the you then we hear on have it to say that how Kartel come out in a cast pick up by Earth, what kind of Jamaican people who don't need to educate themselves. Listen to me, Tommy Thompson Bright Light is Kartel manager from them time they went in got jail. They take Kartel from Tommy Thompson at Mobile 2011 when they were planning. When they're planning them, it was summer where the song was summer where the summer song went. Summertime. Everybody make come along. Bring your ring feminine and come along. That was what was the year of sure done when he might put on him summer thing and him summer thing in Mobile. When him a do him song Summertime, them take him out a Bright Light and. So that is why Bright Light has to do what him do and go pick him up. Because Bright Light was the last, just call it manager for now, was the last manager, Tommy Thompson, from 2011 when them arrest him. So they literally, Bright Light was fighting first part when they first arrest him. It was Bright Light everybody was hearing from and hearing about before it reached down to this. So it is no ritual the part there rather than the sham star Miss Brighty. Moving on. I want to say this. If the man can change him ways, it will be better for him. That's all I am saying. If the it's better for him. Listen what I think. I'm going to show you how you know the man. Watch this. The man say he is the king of dancehall. I told him have to slow down himself. I'm going to show you. I'm going to put on the glasses here. I'm going to lend you our glasses for a minute and let me show you. Put on these glasses. You come out of prison, you come with orange. After the Prime Minister. So it is ironic that the Prime Minister give Beanie Man and Bounty where them forget. So you dancehall king not say nothing then. Because you are used intelligent, but people intelligent than you. That's why you for humble yourself. Because you make Beanie and Bounty get crowned. Because your behavior. You want style government? You are style government. Well, the government will take it to you because Beanie and Bounty would never come out and get crowned until you come out, but because you too intelligent.
Some people want to tell me what to think about what RT boss said a while ago. I don't know if there's any truth to what him saying now, but him right now make the government look away. You see me? And with a privy to some things, with a know some things, or with a see some things, or observe some things and just left it right there so and don't say nothing no tight. You know what I mean? Because here we go on, you know, my people. Him make it look like say the government just use Bunty and Beanie a while ago. And that him make it look like, you know, sometimes we have to just love some things, big man thing. You know what I mean? Because me not think say I saw it go. We feel like say Bounty Killer and Beanie them get a well deserved honor. Yes sir, I say because them help Jamaica to, you know, even Vybz Kartel wanna see there. You know what I mean? Them help Jamaica when it come to tourism, you know, and put Jamaica on the map and make people talk about Jamaica. Yes sir, I say just like how Bob Marley help Jamaica so much. You see me I say, I saw the art, although the government fight the artists them more while, the artists them help Jamaica. You understand me? So even Vybz Kartel enough people not really like him help Jamaica too. You understand me? So make you watch some more here where RT boss I say.
You need to humble yourself. Because the problem you are caused, because you give Beanie and Bounty them track record, because you come out with your orange and you now come back and come talk about you have to run for MP. Like, listen nigga, you have to humble yourself. And I can't wait for the Jamaican people and put you in your place. Because let me explain something to you. I am annoyed with that God behavior. Me know it. Me know it long time. And it a come back. That Lord God Almighty behavior. Let me say this. The shorty part. Many of you need to happy for shorty. And that is why I say you, some of you Jamaican ladies are very illiterate and dunce. Enough of you a boast for Shorty and a fight for Shorty. The real fans of Shorty supposed to be happy for Shorty. She is the baby mother. Shorty a live her life. Shorty been a do her live and all her things them before the man come a road. Where you know set a careless blood clad girl. A anga tanga nice the woman a talk about Shorty. Shorty tell us say one blood clot the wife. Shorty happier than 95 blood clot percent and only we have about free world ball. Shorty no must alright. Which blood clot woman there road 13 years now get no leak in her blood clot and gun but and get no bad man fuck up and no bad man this to blood clot. And then after you know what is freedom and you want blood clot go back in her life. Leave the woman with the woman live her life. The woman will show you what it is take to be happy. She don't hate the man, but the man have dirty behavior. And she has a children for the man. She not gonna say nothing about the man. She not gonna diss the man. She not gonna bring down the man. She not gonna say nothing bad for attack the man in the media wise. No matter what is done her baby father. You forgot the Kartel did married. And Shorty. Oh, you forgot that part there? Oh. Let me repeat it. You forgot that Vybz did married? Oh. Some of you young people don't know history. Let me repeat. Did you forget that Vybz did married? Oh, of course, long time, one tall they did. Let me see somebody will subscribe. You never know him did married? So with all of these things, Shorty, I get a girl, and yes, she know her thing, but 13 years, would you go back there? So it has to be love and respect, and just the thing. So when you leave the woman and start bash the woman and so forth, the end of the day is, it is what it is. I'm going to show you something. I don't say too much in that part because I don't want to get involved in nothing because saying this put me involved in what I'm going to say something. Not for you people, I watched that video on a special man. I said, not for one man eat up and say, yo, the body boy has style the general. The body boy has style the general. Yo, the body boy for dead. Well, body man has style body man. Do your research. So before you bite up on the cell, that one stop on the pussy style because somehow just come out on the moment. Somehow was 5, 6, 7, 8, and 10. So if let me just research it for you, bite up yourself and rally it up yourself. And as a one slap a shot in the board, body man and class, body man, do your research. If you don't know, ask Drake. If you don't know, watch the Pappy. If you don't know, calculate. Una blind as blood clad, dumb. Una go and go do no research out there. That is 100% fact. No question in that. So don't bring a Batman to me yet. I will. Any day you guys come to me with that, I will call on receipt. Don't play. So if you're a nation of Gaza, don't put Batman to my name. Because someone just banned the other day, I will ring your life, I will ring out on the file because someone don't know what happened from 13 years.
Alright, my people. So, alright, yeah, so me I go end the party. So, we're going to go over to Destiny, you know, and hear what Destiny are going with.
Up your blood clot and put up on a wood fire light you. And so we like witch. Because I'm a witch. Because I'm going to show you why you're a witch, you know. The lady that keep your baby while you were in prison, while you were in jail. The lady who was having your TikTok page. The lady who was taking care of your apartments. The lady that who was taking care of your apartments. The lady who bring your dog from Jamaica to the United States of America. You disrespect that lady. You think that's nice? You disrespect that lady. So I'm showing you that there is a demons around you. Sorry, there's a demons inside of you making you abusing these people and pushing away these people. There is. There is. Because there is no way this lady was here for you. This lady keep your baby. She take care of your rent. She give you anything. Come on, Ivan, you're right. You should not do nothing like that. You shouldn't do it. You think you don't owe this lady apology? You should not do that. You go so far. Oh Lord, something really wrong with this girl. She can't talk about lip balm because I first girl up. You know what? I love lip balm like a wow. You start make up a road. Every minute in a stop my store. It's lip balm. Here we go. You love lip balm like me? The woman, I don't even see Nas. When I see her, it come like she delete her page because I don't see her a long time. I don't see her on nothing. I don't see her on a record. She not say nothing. It's like she just gone. It's like she gone. Because I don't see her anymore. Do you guys see her? Nobody don't see her. Who would have gone to me? That gone to me. That shame and go it too. Why she cuss the lady? Because that is the mentality she had. That is the mentality she had. Now say she done with social media? A lie. That's so nice. That's nice. A woman that keep your baby. A woman that take care of you while I was in jail. She shamed the lady until she hide. A woman that take care of eyes. A woman that bring a dog. You name if you disrespect her, Ivan, and I just a choke my love. But your sensation and pick up fear. But me tell you something. You go in a trouble. And nobody won't be there for you next time. You're going to be in trouble and nobody won't be there for you next time. I'm telling you. That is how God work. You go in a trouble and nope. She can't post me. What kind of way she post? She cannot post me. Cause first thing, Ivan need to go find her baby father. You want war? Go find your baby father. Go and find your baby father. Go find your pitney father. Cause you can't tell me if you are not twin this. You're posting me, find a baby daddy. Anything she want to post, she post. She need to post this and this. She need to blood clot post this, yeah. Tell her to post this. Tell her me say to post blood clot this. And this she need to post. This way there so she need to blood clot post. Tell her me say if she... Me a man, I'm a change my name to Destiny. Tell her to post this if she bad. This, post this. Why you always text it on the baby? I man, your eyes come so... Will you go do nothing to me? You not pay my rent, bitch. Go suck out your mama. Me a this up she and her pin. Me trouble her. That me say me trouble her. Me a this up everybody. Me not this up one. All of them come suck me. Period. Over the blood clot. Ivan is perfect. One when she trying to tap the baby. Make her go find the video them. One when she want me. One when Ivan do tap baby. Hold on. Ivan. 1-0.
Tell me back at Jamaica, girl. Me we hurt you, girl. Stab. Bumbo clad. So take me we hurt you, girl. Stab. Bumbo clad. You can't. You go yes. New York and just sit down in the blood clot.
You don't have to subscribe.
Wait for you for coming up. And I when you come with me in a girl, me just
you have to subscribe.
You in a girl. But there I'm not in the dep on my yeah, you try for the only reason yeah, you try for do the most of but again, me not sure know what but use them now. You want ever provoke me? Me not sure know.
Want to find one of the baby. Who other one the guys? When you say oh so I mean them for Pitney and that video them want when she say them find Pitney. Send who have it, share it to me. Share that video there to me on Instagram. Anybody find that video there, share it to me. Them have to subscribe. Them have to subscribe. Them can't type. Them have to subscribe because you want something. You don't have to subscribe. Because all of who we want type, you can't type. Make my people in type. The 180 people, make them type. Yeah. And more. Thanks for the subscribe, boo.
Alright people, one thing me not like with that cussing you want go on still or Destiny put up the youth. You see me I say them for keep the people them picnic out of the argument at all times. You see me I say you can't put the woman picnic up against that disrespectful to the max. Although Ivan is a person where we do the same thing. You know what I mean? So you can't put certain things past she. But come on man. The people them picnic for off limit at all times. You understand me I say? So people, let me know what you think. We are go over to Candy and Slime and we go on with the two of them.
You really gonna make me get catch dog?
You not see me?
Pop down, big up yourself.
You not see me?
In can't give me that there, you know? Oh. Bumbo clock, guys, you don't give me.
I would have mad girl as you can't give me the hour I got teammates. I know this are you.
Why? Why?
Teammate, you mother suck your mother in a left pocket.
So look good Candy.
I know me.
Candy Moosh, me could have helped you. God knows.
Bumbo clock. Pop dance, guys, in the slime, now, guys.
Candy, sorry to put
That clock, I get catch, but can't believe. No, sir, this is not pretty none at all. And where people them there?
Yo, that.
Me give him garlic for them and him down here, me garlic, you know.
Me know me garlic, how your blood clot tell me say?
But a couple two you make. Couple two you make.
Me garlic. Hey, watch out, you see the nails the way I hit your mama, cut off the whole of them. Cut off them nails. Cut off them nails.
Who be put me spit by you, man?
Yo, Slime.
Teammates, I dare them here so she have to go jump.
What you mean blood clot?
She have to go jump, teammates. Teammates, she have to go jump. Me now move, alright, that's a minute.
Go suck your mother, move.
Go suck back your mother, girl.
No,
Teammates,
yeah, give me a
cut
deer,
off
girl.
the nails, them.
Give me a deer. Babes.
Cut them
give
off.
me a deer. Babes.
Yeah, you have carrot.
Me not that.
Yo.
Yeah, cucumber.
No.
What kind of fruits you have?
Yeah,
Me not no type of fruit.
Teammates, nails me with it.
But they then gone. But cut off nails. Come near me post my period.
You see people?
You soon find out.
Teammates, top of the screen there. Hey man, girl, hear me and say, see if you don't cut off your nails, never add me back to your life. You hear that? Suck out your mama, girl.
40 PS I go find out. But blood clot cut off nails.
Candy, come on.
I give him 2 blood clot there. When him say him nah do them, move him clots.
Some people I have about 3 live for share with honor. So I say I have one with Daima I diss up the youth where you know the bus alone sitting where I go around with a youth I diss up some woman upon it. Daima come for him wicked. You see me I say, and she all so say some things about World Dog friend, which it look like say is her ex right now. Look like say them left. You see me? Come I go share what she said about him. You see it. Also my people, we have Coco, you know. You know what I mean? You know, every now and then she make where people say get to her, and she come on the internet and get it off her chest. You see it right now. She have some things to say about the people them, some people, you know what I mean, where say she make somebody get dash with her, she dash with the person. We're not gonna hear what she have to say. You see me? Also my people, we have Shibada come out, come show how Spice style pretty than wicked and neatly. You see me, we are getting at that. And then my people, from the other day look like say Queenie and Momo in a look of vibes. You see me I say? So Queenie forward pan live not too long. Are you that say she even up on live right now? You see me? Anna done Momo. And me enough people I say it's like Queenie want a bus back because nobody now to look on her. You see it. But more know what other think about what she has say about Momo. You see me? Because people not really look on Queenie and do it again, you know. Like how them used to. You know what I mean? Look on them because Queenie got take back do it. Enough people never like that. So enough people like just dash with Queenie one side. You see me? So it look like so even that kinda make Queenie feel away because Queenie talk about what she do, place where she go. And she talk about things people. So we are gonna get into everything you know. We are gonna kick it off with Shibada.
At that part, you know, me know say pretty than get pranked by Spice. Hey, Spice, one thing we did this year, you know. You see, for the little month where I believe we don't know if you go disappear or but you come out from a bag, man. Me don't know how you prank pretty than so. Spice say, me I try send you how much things, how much lion this morning. I that tell me say, me restricted. Spice, me must say you not give us say nothing. Yeah, you know, me not see nobody put up like Nicki Minaj. Say Spice give them the only thing we see the big batty boy Shabada say is that Nicki Minaj send him one lion. Yeah. Me no see you don't know me, you're too liar. At that part they grip me the whole on a demon. Me just sit down on the outside and watch you know. I don't be sure. Barbie Slims, them did that chat you. Yeah. Me no know how you it has to restrict. That means say you send hard man. I'll Jada send Derek. Then me no understand. Jada send Derek. So oh you just lucky as you for send pretty than for me like you must slow down for the costing till the 53 lion them coming. Then pretty than you big lad and that and get trick. And that if I cost about you better she come on and not say nothing. Me I try to send you how much teen lion. Pretty than get tricked to mama blood finger. Hush. Hush than that. I saw it come a baby. It am to the best of us. Yeah. I must Martin, so him still gonna chat you. Me have to say no, I spoke with her this morning. I told them out to her, I spoke with my friend this morning. Them I report the life. But them I report the life for bling at them. Yeah, them I go like me make RT back to their court. And then me make RT bottom their court. RT bottom supposed to their court. They might bring everybody all and bottom their court. Eh? RT bottom supposed to their court. And them come up and bust every secret. So I don't see why I bling a quiet. If them think you old boy and RT boss come up and talk about that RT, all of a sudden you want to run go court. You want to run go court when allegation drop on you, and you say the little boy and belongs to Lal, it belongs to Baby Sham. Move your nastiness. Move your nastiness, RT boss, and take it. It's a different something from you know though. Different something. Different something. But Martin them not report the light because the score not drop. And you just want to lock up the comment them wicked Martin. You just want to lock up the comment them you told lie. Number one when the live I report the score drop. I know that much, you know. Nobody go like say me a pretty than a yeah, spice. You just want to lock off the comments. My love. When the report man it stick and it drop, I see it enough time. But you just want to lock off the comment on some of them dirty people here. Me not pick up for spice. Me not pick up for spice, and me don't want nobody thinks me pick up for spice. Spice come suck out the last part of my blood. Me not pick up for spice. After me not busy with them, the two of them are germs and crosses, but through me I suck RT bars and me I bomb it off at night time. Me just attack and me shame me a class him. You never reprimand you pick me yet. Eh? You never reprimand you pick them yet. Me not pick up for spice. Me not pick up the spice. Everybody knows that spice are wicked. Me no need to reiterate. Me no need to regurgitate that and bring it up back like a vomit. No, sir. When me I say is how RT Boss could defend himself. RT Boss tonal drop. RT Boss tone drop. This man in my shame. Him tone drop. Nothing way in the voice notes or the conversation states that. You understand me? Spice do him. Me don't know about later on in the conversation. What he played this morning, it not sound like Spice doing bad. It sound like he may have a time. He in a hurry. Mark, we don't say Shanna wicked, I mean not say Shanna wicked. I would not say Shanna wicked. You get what me I say? Because a whole heap of people show the wickedness. But in this case, where RT Boss led us for years to believe that the lady kick her foot for not doing music. RT Boss all beg me promote songs for him.
Alright, so people, who don't feel like say Spice really style pretty than because me sip on a screen recording